Hello guys! Welcome back to our new video. Ang pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon is about brake auto hold ni Xpander. As a driver, especially if you are always on the road, you will always find yourself in the middle of the stop and go traffic or waiting for a traffic light or a long drive through line. Either we press on the brake the whole time or we put the car in park or neutral while waiting. Dito na papasok si brake auto hold. You can avoid doing these things because you don't have to put your foot on the brake pedal and touch your shifter. The brake auto hold system will hold the brake for you so you can rest your foot from the brake pedal. Let me demonstrate it now kung paano ito gamitin. All you need to do is to have a complete stop by depressing the brake pedal and then press the auto hold button near your gear shifter and then release the brake pedal. Then you will immediately notice na ang brake auto hold indicator lamp will appear in your instrument cluster na kulay green. To start the vehicle again, all you need to do is apakan mo lang ang accelerator and the brake auto hold system will go standby mode. And once na nag-full stop ka na naman, the system will be activated again. As of the moment, the system is now automatically holding the brake for me and will keep holding it until I step on the accelerator again. Very useful ito lalo na sa stop and go traffic because you can relax your foot from time to time. So do not turn it off when you are in the middle of a traffic jam. Tsaka mo na i-turn off pag nakalabas ka na sa traffic. Now to turn it off, all you need to do after depressing your accelerator is to press the brake auto hold button again. And immediately, mawawala na sa instrument cluster ang brake auto hold indicator lamp. After around 10 minutes na naka-apply ang brake auto hold system, ang electric parking brake ay mag-on automatically. Kasama na doon if the driver's seat belt is unfastened, driver's door is open, or the vehicle is sliding down a slope. May maririnig ka na buzzer sound, meaning the parking brake was automatically applied. I think these are really good safety features. That's it for today guys. If you think that this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you guys on my next video. Drive safe and God bless.